Welcome to NanoTextile, where innovation meets sustainability. Established in 2015, our production plant in Puchong, Malaysia harnesses the power of the sun for our advanced nano-solar power systems. Committed to sustainability, over 40.5% of our energy comes from solar power, saving over $89,000. Let's dive into our four-phase production process, beginning with the incoming or pre-process. We prioritize our flexible production timeline and embrace sustainable green practices with our clients, like using reusable boxes and storage to reduce our carbon footprint. Next, the compatibility and embedment process. Under our SOP, items undergo rigorous testing to ensure technology compatibility optimization level above 82%. Our Malaysian expertise production team ensures smooth embedment, overseeing every detail. The embedment process uses Korean technology, which can be done auto and manually, capable of processing over 5,500 units daily. We use water-based zero-toxicity technology that meet international ISO and RoHS standards, making it suitable for the environment and sensitive skin. The power of nanotechnology is evident, in which small particles can penetrate the deepest weaving of materials, showcasing its highest effectiveness. Our drying or curing process ensures full impregnation of nanomaterials on the fabric, using high-powered industrial fans for 100% effectiveness. Quality is our priority. We strive for a 0% issue report rate, ensuring perfection in assembly and quality check processes. And finally, we package with care for a hassle-free experience. Your nano items are now ready, marking the start of a greener loop. We collaborate with brands, raising awareness of this transformative technology, while introducing new offerings to consumers. Redefine your cloth with NanoTextile. This is the future of textile, for fashion, home, industrial, and beyond. A greener and more functional future.